I've excuse me, I've put in the banks here, the 5 banks. That's where I left you before, just to go over it again. Here the program is generating the random variables. Here it's showing those random variables as different flashes of light, either one of the LEDs. Here you're choosing which LED you think is the correct LED in the sequence, and you can see here it's comparing it to A, here we're comparing it to B, here we're comparing it to C, D and E. If at any point you get it wrong, you can see if you get the compare wrong, then you're going to this branch and you're going to this, and that bit there is the point where both LEDs come on for 3 seconds, and those LEDs coming on for 3 seconds signifies that you got it. Unfortunately, you got the sequence wrong. What I haven't connected is the compare functions here, although it wants to say yes, so I'm going to stop that for the time being. Right, so what happens if you win? Well, how about the LEDs flash alternately for, I don't know, why don't we have it 2 seconds? So how are we going to do that? Output 4 goes on, add a wait command, time, why don't we do that for a second, and then I'm gonna nick this because that's all off, and then I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna paste it in. Oh, that's got a wait command in I don't want there, so I'm gonna take that down to 0. Take it down to 0, thank you. Okay, so it's on for it's toggling. That's incorrect. Apologies for this, I've just put it in wrong. Okay, so that's going high for 0.1 of a second, and it's going low, and then what we want, of course, is we want the other LED to come on. Okay, so they're going to be flashing alternately, so we've got 0.2 of a second so far, 0.4 of a second, 6, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move that over slightly. I'm going to move it over slightly. I'm going to copy and paste it here, and copy and paste it there. And if we get this right, we get the last one right, what I want to do is join that. Of course, if I get this one right, exactly the same will happen. If I get it wrong, however, we've got to go up here, because we've got to go up to this, and just to show you, when I go across here, I'm joining to that direction there, so that point, that intersection isn't joined. Okay, and can we looks good. And finally, if we have won, I left a little bit of distance here. We go back to the start after going through this sequence, which is the winning sequence, the flashing sequence. Okay, so I think that's it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to troubleshoot now and find out if it works. So I'm sure there's many things which I've done. Incorrect flow path, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Down here. We haven't joined these two up. So what I need to do is join this up. When it illuminates the LEDs, I need to join that up with you putting your selection of LEDs in, Okay, and of course that one needs to be joined up as well. Alright, let's have a go and see if that works. I'm sure there's a couple of other things which I've missed out. What's wrong here? Unable to find a no, so I haven't joined those up. So that's going to be the same for all of them. Where's that one, isn't it? And this one. Okay. Right, so that's it. Great. Well, I'm going to call it there, and then you can come back for the final part and we can see if it works on the actual board itself.